I'm on the wrong side of the road. Bayram!
I was coming for you.
Hi, nice to see you. I just realised I'm on the wrong side of the road. In Cyprus, we're on this side, on that side. Hi, how are you?
I'm fine. I see you right now.
Yes.
All of you.
I hope you were waiting a long time. The ferry is late.
Yes, I see it. Turkey.
Yeah, sorry, it's late.
I'm going back.
Yes,
Follow me.
I'll follow you. Fantastic, thank you.
People feels like they're walking here.
Say again?
Motivation for you to record something.
On the beach outside of Tasuçu. Everyone's making some videos, I'm editing some videos, and then tomorrow it's time to start doing some serious kilometres west for Christmas in Antalya. Still Christmassy in Turkey, only they refer to this as a New Year tree, not a Christmas tree.
Like this. And salt. Salt is good. Lemon.
Yes, pomegranate molasses.
Yeah.
Even though I delayed my departure by a day because of inclement weather, the time to leave had arrived. The other lane is closed, so I'm going to see if I can get through that side rather than squeeze through the traffic on this side. These lovely gentlemen just gifted me a coffee. Gosh, it's good to be back in Turkey. "340 kilometres to Christmas." Bayram has taught me how to order tantuni the way I like it. You have to ask for it with yogurt. Teşekkürler.
Oh. Yeah.
Eline sağlık. And I got it with tavuk chicken, beautiful, and a rose. Tantuni here comes with roses, apparently. It's kind of like a Mexican dish, I guess, with the sort of tortilla-like thing, chicken and salad, filling, and then this is covered in yogurt instead of cheese. It's a pretty big day already. I've done 60 or so kilometres. with 30 more to go to get to the beach that I'm aiming at. Got a bit of a sore bum, sore knees. I've raised the seat post. There's not much I can do about a sore bum. Just have to tough it out.
Siz devam edebilirsiniz.
Teşekkürler.
Evet.
Teşekkür ederim. Fortunately for me, with the traffic being held up, I had the tunnels entirely to myself. There's a camper van there. Around the coast, the beach continues, but it's all pebbles, and this is on the map as a campsite, which is also a bit pebbly. This is the least pebbly bit of grass. So this is me for the night, I think. Did it? 92 kilometres.